Hello everyone, Christian here with Pipe Doctor Home Services. Today we're looking at this 50-gallon electric water heater. Customer's got water in the pan. I've already looked around at everything. Nothing up here is leaking. T&P valve goes into the wall there. Everything around both of the elements is dry. Looks like that one's been changed out. But got water in the pan. This valve's all dry. So it looks like it's just the tank, so we're trying to figure out what best options are for replacement of the unit. Okay, so got a hold of Ferguson finally. There's one like 6-something miles away. So I'm gonna head there, grab a new one. Customer said that he's good with doing the replacement of the water heater, and he's good with doing it today, and I got time to do it, so should be good. So I'm gonna start draining this now and get it ready for, replacement. Or I'll see if the customer, if he needs to take a shower or something like that, then I'll just leave it for now, and I can drain it when I come back. It doesn't really matter too much, because they don't need the water heater at Ferguson. They just need a picture of the sticker down there and the return number. That's all they want. But yeah, so I'll see if he needs hot water for anything. If he does, then I'll leave it for now, and he can just use it one more time before I get rid of it. Okay, so talked to the customer, talked to Ferguson, talked to A.O. Smith. Right now I'm on my way to Ferguson Spas. Right now they've got 4 water heaters to replace the one that he's got. So I'm gonna get there, give them the R number, give them the information for the water heater and installation and data failure and all that, and information on the customer, and then they'll give me a new one. I'll head back and get this thing swapped out, which is nice for him. It'll be the same day that he called me out. It's great. So yeah, heading that way right now and pick up this new water heater. Okay, so I'm back. It's been about an hour. I've got the new water heater. Still grabbing some stuff. Customer's wife's finishing up a shower, so I'm letting her finish while I, grab all the stuff I need. As far as disconnecting this one goes, I'll just pull the disconnect the wiring. I talked to him about doing something different with this. He doesn't want me to do anything with this. Since I can't redo any of this and get it strapped on the wall or anything, then I'm not gonna bother, redoing this whole section. I'm just gonna try and cut, we'll see if it works, but I'll try and just cut this here. This looks just big enough for me to literally just slide a coupling in. And just slide a coupling on it and just glue it. If I can't do that, then I'll end up having to cut this and redo all this anyways. But we'll see. This side I'll probably cut here, and then coupling, 90, bit of pipe, new female fitting. And then for the T&P valve, just cut it here. And then when I pull the water heater out, unscrew it, put it into the new one, reattach it, all that fun stuff. T&P drain goes into the wall there. And then we're reusing the pan. I'll get the water out of it. I'll, wipe it down, try and clean it up. There's some water and some rust in there. And then we'll get the new water heater in place and start reconnecting everything. All right, so just finished getting all my stuff in here. I cut the T&P valve, the line for the T&P valve out. I got the new water heater unboxed. For this one, I have to put in the T&P valve myself. I've got the water to the water heater off, disconnect pulled, draining out the water right now. And now I'm just kind of waiting. I'll disconnect the electrical, and after that I'll probably cut this, and then I've got my vacuum here in case these lines leak when I cut them, which they will. That way I don't have water pouring everywhere all over the floor. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. All right, got the new one in place, wiped up the pan, sprayed it with some, I think it's called Spray 9. Wiped it down as much as I could. Got the thing in place, And I'll try my best. Hopefully this works. If not, like I said, then I'm gonna just cut the thing here and just redo all of this. But plan is new female adapter here, a little bit of pipe and a coupling to get this done, and then I can put the expansion tank back on and start filling up the tank. And then I'll get, while that's going, I'll get this one done. New female adapter and a 90 and a coupling and a bit of pipe. And that should be it. So I'm gonna get this piped in, turn the water back on, and then start getting that piped in. Alrighty, so got cold side done. Like I said, just cut it, put a coupling there, fit perfectly. Literally perfect. Got the original expansion tank back on, held back on this female fitting here while tightening the expansion tank with those 2 wrenches there. Now I just need to let it sit for, let's see, how long has it been? About 11 more minutes. And then the glue that I used here should be dry, and I'll probably have this piped in already. I've already got the female adapter on here. So I just need a bit of pipe 90, coupling, another bit of pipe, and this will be done. And then by the time, you know, this fills up with water, it'll, that glue should probably be dry, because it'll have been drying for like 10 minutes already, since this glue's only been drying for like 4 minutes. So I'm gonna get this piped in now and start filling this thing up with water in a couple minutes. All right, so like I already showed, cold sides in with the new, with the original expansion tank. Like I said, customer didn't want to replace it, and they didn't even want to, you know, pay the bit extra to get it, you know, get a bracket on the wall. I could put it right there, or over here, but probably over here somewhere. And then maybe have had the tank slid over a little bit, and then the piping would have to come this way a little bit, but it'd be nicer for the expansion tank. Didn't want to do it though, so just put it back the way it was. Got the TMP valve, new bit of pipe and coupling. Hot side, new female adapter, bit of pipe 90, bit more pipe and coupling. That should all be dry here in just a couple more minutes. And then I'll turn the water on. And all I've got left to do for installation of the water heater wise is just wire up the electrical. That's it. And then, you know, tag and sticker the unit, tar and feather it, and then that'll be it. Okay, that's it. Unit's installed. TMP valve's tagged, shut-off's tagged. Unit's got a sticker on it. All done. Original pan, original expansion tank. It's running. They got hot water now. So that's it. If you guys like the video, please give it a like. Thanks for watching and have a great day.